Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. The official page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Log into your Gocardless account and you'll end up on the home page of your Gocardless account. From the home page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, tap on Sign Out. It will sign you out of your Gocardless account in no time. This is how you can sign out of your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.